we know what you're thinking. Yes, of course, it's easy to talk about design thinking when you are a designer. But what about people with different backgrounds? Let's say that design thinking is not the property of designer. In this lecture, we will explain you why and what it means to apply it in different fields. So, why call it design thinking? What is special about design thinking is that designers' work processes can help us systematically teach, learn and apply the human-centered techniques to solve complex problems in a creative and innovative way. In the broadest sense of the term, it is understood as a lever which can push change starting from listening to people. This combination of design and thinking offers the opportunity to apply design tools to analyze and solve problems in different contexts, such as businesses, services and processes, with the creative vision and outside-of-the-box thinking typical of the design culture and its methods.
This methodology is a driving force for innovation that integrates design, social sciences, engineering and business skills, and offers new process models and tools that help to improve, accelerate and visualize any creative process, making it accessible not only to designers but also to multidisciplinary teams and every type of organization. Design thinking is, therefore, a process and a mindset, and it is much more. Applied to daily work, the potential of design thinking problem solving results in a deep form of innovation culture.
So, what is the difference with the traditional problem-solving method? In the conventional way of troubleshooting, you often find a problem, define the steps and tools to use to reach a solution, then stick to the plan and hope for the desired result.
Instead, design thinking begins with observation of culture, context, and a deep understanding of human behavior and needs. This approach explores the strategic dimensions of the challenge and uses tools and techniques that integrate imagination, creativity and intuition with logic, analysis and planning, enabling a propensity for wild ideas to go beyond the limits of knowledge. It is an approach that uses the designer's sensibility and methods for problem solving to meet people's needs in a technological, feasible and commercially viable way. Keep in mind, design thinking is a human-centered innovation. The starting point is be empathetic. Try to figure out what people really value. This describes the most profound and valuable part of this methodology.
Design thinking provides a precise scheme within which creativity is stimulated and channeled. This scheme is composed by a creative process divided into different steps and a set of tools that guide design thinkers through the process.
There are many design thinking configurations with different steps and tools, but they all rely on the same theoretical and conceptual basics characterizing all the methods. For example, the Field Guide to Human-Centered Design, developed by IDEO Design Firm in the context of social innovation, presents a design thinking process divided in three main steps: inspiration, ideation, implementation. It includes 57 design methods that help in understanding people, making effective brainstorming, prototyping ideas, and generating creative solutions.
Differently, the design thinking process of this school at Stanford University is visualized in 5 steps: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, test, which are all interconnected. The inspiration step of the IDEO model clearly overlaps the empathize and define steps of the Stanford model. Indeed, in these steps, design thinkers will learn how to better understand people by observing their lives and listening to their hopes and desires, and how to identify the opportunity and potential of the project.
In the same way, ideation corresponds to ideate a prototype where design thinkers make sense of everything they've heard, generate lots of ideas, select the most promising project opportunities, test and refine their solutions. Finally, the implementation step that aims to bring the solution to life overlaps with Stanford prototype and test. These are iterative steps that require many prototypes and pilot tests to refine the solution.
No matter which configuration you choose, all the steps of the process are not always carried out in a sequential manner. The creative process indeed is not linear. You need for sure to go back through all the steps more than once to refine your ideas and explore new directions.
Now that you know the value of design thinking and how it works, you will understand better our ideativity method. Let's explore it.